Hi, my name is Benjamin Rott. I work in mathematics education at the University of Cologne. For the STEAM Kitchen project, I'm going to talk about teacher cooperation. Cooperations and collaborations amongst teachers are generally considered to be positive, as they contribute to the teacher's job satisfaction, self-efficacy, personal developments. They extend resources and spread professional knowledge, for example, of recent professional development contents. Teachers also agree that cooperation is important. However, cooperation amongst teachers, at least in German-speaking countries and especially in Germany, is often limited to exchanging materials and, to a lesser degree, discussions about the learning trajectories of specific students. Deeper collaborations, such as co-constructions of materials, team teaching, shared projects, visitations, and feedback amongst colleagues, as well as joint professional development courses, are rare. Why is this the case? First off, in Germany, teachers are used to working alone, being an Einzelkämpfer. They are socialized this way, and to change this, they have to open up and make compromises. Secondly, studies show that teachers report missing resources and time as a reason for not cooperating. For example, they miss coordinating structures, resources, and colleagues are simply not present after their lessons have finished. Also, they want to get more support from the school administration. Also, motivation and affect play a huge role in this. There is a fear of comparison and conflict. Questions like, am I doing enough? Are my tests too easy or too hard? Will others judge my materials? Are important factors for missing cooperations. So, what can we do to address this issue if we want teachers to cooperate more often and more deeply? First off, we need to address the teachers' beliefs. We need to educate them about the benefits of cooperations, such as saved time, their own professional development, and maintenance of their mental health. This should be done in teacher professional development, but also in teacher education at the universities. Secondly, we should address the structures. We need to show them that cooperation can save time instead of costing extra time. Cooperation needs to be included in the teachers' schedules. For example, schools can establish year group teams, and they can also make teachers stay after finishing the lessons so that there really is time for collaborations. Finally, we need to realize that traditions can change, and we can learn from other countries such as Finland and Japan, who have a long tradition of sharing resources, team teaching, and visitations, such as the Japanese lesson study tradition. And we also see that amongst young teachers, cooperations are much more often than amongst older teachers, which, in my opinion, points into the right direction.